Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. If you need to replace the ABS roof seal on your Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper, I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you want to chock the wheels, then raise the roof about 2 feet. Now it's time to remove the old gasket. If you come to a spot where the seal is still firmly attached, use a heat gun to loosen the area. Now that we have the old seal removed, we want to use an all-purpose cleaner to clean the roof edge. Now that we've got the whole roof base cleaned on the edge, inside and outside, we're going to go ahead and address any stubborn spots on the edge and anything stuck underneath. Now it's time to install. If you got your new seal from us at ColemanPopUpParts.com, which I hope you did, installation's going to be a snap. Your old seal was likely installed with glue. The new seal has a self-adhesive strip inside that requires no messy glue to install. Here are the basic tools we'll be using to install the seal. We want to orientate it so the 3N strip is on the inside of the roof and the arrow inside the seal points away from the camper. In a spray atomizer, I've mixed a 50-50 solution of alcohol and water. This will allow our seal to install easy. Remove the red strip. Spray the area down where you're going to be working small areas at a time, and lightly mist the inside of the seal. Place the seal over the lip of the roof and press up firmly. Use a rubber mallet to make sure the seal is fully engaged. For the corners, I like to heat up the seal to make the corner installation easier. Now time to make the cut. So line up the end of your seals and cut the excess. And that does it. You can find this easy to install seal at our web store at ColemanPopUpParts.com, along with a lot of other great Coleman and Fleetwood pop-up products. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.